Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to delete color inversion shortcut button combination in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. First, where to look for the shortcut to the color inversion function. Settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility menu. Next at the top we have vision enhancements, and now we're looking for the color inversion menu. Here it is. So if we enable color inversion here, and when we turn on the shortcut here, we have a few options to choose from. So we have the shortcuts here. As you can see, we can have our accessibility button on the bottom right, or the button combination press. And if you want to delete all these shortcuts, we simply need to turn it off right here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.